In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wavy text using Google Apps in Canva. If you've been looking to add some flair to your designs, making your text stand out with a wavy effect can be just what you need. So let's dive right in and explore how you can easily achieve this. First, we're going to start by opening up your Canva document. Now, for those of you who might be unfamiliar with Canva, it's a fantastic graphic design tool that's accessible and user-friendly, offering a plethora of templates and design features right at your fingertips. So go ahead and open the Canva document that you want to work with. If you haven't created one yet, take a moment to set up a new document based on your design objectives. This will act as your canvas where all the magic will happen. Once your document is ready, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see the Apps tab. Click on it. This section allows you to access various plugins and features within Canva. What we are particularly interested in today is an app called Typecraft. It's a neat little tool within Canva that helps us manage the style and look of our typography in creative ways. In the search bar within the app section, type in Typecraft. Once it pops up, go ahead and select it. With Typecraft, you have the opportunity to manipulate text styles in just a few clicks, which can be an incredible time saver, especially when working on complex designs or when you simply want your text to sway in a whimsical way. Now input the text you want to make wavy. Feel free to type whatever message or statement aligns with your design vision. Following this, you'll need to choose your desired font and style. Typecraft offers various font options, so take a moment to explore and settle on one that suits the theme and aesthetic you're aiming for. The font you choose can significantly influence the overall impact of your design, so don't hesitate to experiment a bit. Next, proceed to the Edit Shape section inside Typecraft. This is where you can transform your plain text into a wavy masterpiece. Use the available sliders or adjustment tools to achieve the wave effect you're envisioning. Moving these sliders will change the curvature of your text, allowing lines to flow and bend gracefully across your canvas. Feel free to tweak these settings until you're satisfied with how the waves look. Remember, these adjustments are what will give your text that eye-catching, dynamic appearance. And there you have it. Your text is now beautifully wavy and ready to be incorporated into your design. Whether it's for a playful invitation, a funky header, or just to add personality to your social media posts, this wavy text technique is sure to add charm and flair. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks, and happy designing.